Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, aka Pink-UniBudgetz, and I'm just setting up my monthly budget for 2023 January. I sped everything up and we're gonna do some decorations, and at the end, well, not really the end, the middle is where I really do the monthly budget, and I'm just setting it up right now. If you are new to my channel, hello. How your sister, your mother, your cousin, your brother, your uncle, your children doing? I hope you guys had a great Christmas, and we're looking forward to the new year. So we're just setting everything up so we can prepare ourselves for the new year. And I really do believe that this year is going to be consistency. So I think I'm just going to keep this nice and clean, like minimal kind of for the monthly, so it doesn't get too hectic since everything else is already decoed out. You'll probably hear me repeat it at the end because I kind of made that decision. Right now, I'm trying to decide which colors I should do for January. I think I'm going to do like a blue for the decoration point of it. For February, I would say put a comment down below which color scheme do you think I should do for February. I know I did blue for January, and for February, I'm not sure what color. You know, I love to collage and decorate everything. So this is just the beginning. I'm hoping to get some of these bills down because we know we survived the holiday rush. I know some are still in debt. I know I went back into debt, unfortunately, but every budget is different, and never compare your financial journey to somebody else's. Don't compare yourself to mine. This is just how I'm trying to get it all together, and I'm hoping that this will help help other people to get their finances in orders, because nobody wants to really talk about finances. But with the upcoming year and then inflation and everything, I think it's most important now to take hold of our finances and look to see where we can cancel some of them subscriptions, maybe make some extra money on the side. That is really what we're going to be focusing on. But I am using the Elevated Life Code Budget Planner. I do have my own on my website. It's a digital version. But I am choosing to use her planner for right now. I've seen so many beautiful planners that are coming out next year. So I think at this point, it's like, where do which planner really speaks to you, which content you like to see in a planner. Hopefully I will get my own planner, but I know a lot of people like minimalism, and I just really like decorating, and I feel like it might be a little bit too much for some people, but that's okay because I'm my own person. And if you want to create your own budget planner and you're getting yourself on track, I say, girl, do it. Do it. Because there could be a million other products and budgets and Cashstuffing budget binders and envelopes, but they don't got a you. They don't got a you. So I say go ahead and go for it, because there is a audience for everyone, and we are just trying to make it through. We're trying to make it cute. We're trying to eliminate this debt. We're trying to get it right for our families, for ourselves, to make sure we have vacation time, make sure we have things that we want to spend on. So I say go for it, girl. Make that extra money, because I also support small businesses. I think it's really important that we do support each other, and the budget community is so supportive of everybody who joins this community, because we are all reaching for the same goal: to be debt-free, to live life fully, to not having to depend on going paycheck. Because I do realize that the saving challenges do help to get you there, and then afterwards we kind of put money into each category. So that's what we're focusing on for 2023. I hope to see you guys. Don't forget to like this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see y'all later and enjoy. Thank you. Thank you.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go?
So we'll see how much that will be. I did do my debt for this year. So my annual debt right here, starting January, will be $88,265.60. Ugh, I wish I had a sticker with a frowny face on it. But that's how much debt I have, and I listed it out, and we're gonna try to get it down each month, and then at the end of 2023 we'll see how much we have cut down on our debt. So my goal is to at least cut it by half. That's a lot. That's about 44,000, girl. 44,000. But we're gonna see. Did I say half? I don't know. Maybe it is half, or it's like 1/4. I don't know. But I have to go back and look at my goals, my little goal sheet that I do have, because I do have like my goals and my Hobonichi weeks. So we have this one. Let me set up that. Put this to the side. Put it to the side. So we'll have our financial goals, the financial wins, any appointments. I don't think I have any appointments. I'm not sure. I know it's my birthday and my brother. I can't forget him. Me and him have the same birthday, same day. So can't forget my brother. So we did our monthly budget, and then when we get closer, we will start our paycheck budget. So there we go. There you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and jazz this up because I am that type of person that I just like it to make it look pretty. It makes me more involved. So if you want to stay and watch, that's fine. I appreciate you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. And if you're still here, we're just gonna decorate. We're just gonna decorate now. You the real MVP if you stay past that. Bye. Yes, I'm eating some bacon. Don't judge me.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the yes, afraid to lose each other. Counting the hours till I see you again. Could you be life, lover, and best friend? Waiting for text back, wondering where you at, or who could you be with? No, I'm not possessive, but you're mine. Okay, I'ma let you live, no shame, no shame, no game. I wanna fall in love, vulnerable in love. Do you want classy? Do you want nasty, babe? I'll give you options. I'll be a perfect day. I'm yours till the night fades. Whoa, don't let it fade. No shame and no game. I wanna fall vulnerable. Giggling softly. Could you be laughing at me, or we just giddy? Butterflies flapping in me. Don't stop what you're doing. Yeah, what you doing to me? Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is.
I haven't really thought about what I'm gonna do for my monthly pages yet. So we're still working on this one. I don't really know what to do. I don't know if I should just keep it very clean and simple because everything else is so like decoed out. But keep it very clean, simple. Might do like a little flowers on the monthly budget page and a little something something on here. But all right, you guys, that's it from me. Okay, so I might put this on my Instagram, but we will see how it goes. But it's a lot of hard work, you guys, but that's the whole thing about making this budgeting super fun, super engaging. So, and I really did enjoy doing these little spreads for the quote sheets. So for February, what do you guys want the color to be for February? Now that I kind of got my collaging together. So I'll probably put a poll, but all right, hey, I'll see y'all later. Bye.
All the windows